Ja, du kan släppa lite där så. Vi ska se var vi hamnar. Tackar, tackar. Så, kastar du så. Det blir perfekt. Tackar, tackar.
This is Lådnad, Skomakarviken. You can see more about it in the episode before this one. We're going out through the south passage. Chris and Tanya on Aurora is going to Gotland, and we decided to meet up on Braka before they leave.
Today it's a little bit rainy, so I'm driving from inside, and I'm just standing in the center here. Today we drive only on the iPad. It's an easy route, and I even watch some YouTube when I'm driving. And, it's sunny on that side, and it's rain cloud just on the right side. Couple of boats outside. It's not that bad. And, really sunny if you get more out. And that's how we drive sometimes. You're driving so slow in boats, so you can go around and do things. Just keep an eye out, chilling out. Or sitting in the sofa. We have a great view from here, so you can just let the autopilot drive and chill out.
When I pull out this one, it's usually to measure the depth. I have marks on it, 80 centimeters, 1 meter and 1.5 meters. Because of the wind direction, I have to go over this rock to do the mooring here. And I don't feel comfortable in this strong wind to do this without the crow. When I reach the shore, I have to be pretty fast to not blow down on the boats on the right side of me. You never know if the people on shore know how fast I have to be to get the line around the tree. I have to get it around the tree immediately when I throw it, because no one is strong enough to hold a boat like this in strong winds. Chris and Tanya is also coming here, so I have to find a spot that are deep enough for the big Hansa. I searched for a long time in many different places, but the good spots are already taken. It's hard to find a spot that are deep enough for 2 boats. The rain is getting closer and the winds is getting stronger. So I decided to anchor in the middle and wait out the rain.
It was just blowing like crazy earlier. I was trying to get in over there, or I was checking the depth. Lots of boats, but just coming in and grab a spot. But I don't want to go in when it's blowing like that. It's blowing sideways. It should be protected later, but when you have these rain clouds, the wind can come from the wrong direction and blow really hard. So right now I just waiting for the rain to stop, and I think I'm going over there, and I have to make a spot for Chris. So let's see if it's depth enough for him on some of the spots there. But why be outside the rain if you don't need? Just put down the bow anchor and make some dinner and chill out. I can dock and in 20 minutes when the rain has stopped. Ja. Men jag kan kika in och ser ut den där lilla på den sidan om er, får se.
Där borta?
Ja, bara precis 3 båtar bort här.
Ja,
för om det är bättre plats där.
Jag där är det garanterat.
Där är det grunt, ja precis.
Utan det är så fall här som det är osäkert.
Ja.
Mycket grönsaker.
Annars får man kanske ta den där lilla stubben där. Går aldrig över. Nej, jag kommer inte in så långt. Han går ganska djupt i fören. Nej.
Det är ju nästan bäst här, men det är långt kvar ändå.
Ja. Det är halvdåligt. Det är klart vatten i alla fall.
Here I temporarily secure the boat with some shorter lines. Then I add some longer lines in a better angle later.
Oj.
Often I do the knot a bit away from the tree, so it's easier to untie it when I have to leave. Let me know in the comment if this looks familiar. Everyone else find the spot immediately, but not you.
Burning in me? Was it the voice? Was it the fire burning in me? All of the noise turned into choirs of harmony. Left me with the pieces of forever that you broke. But since you left me alone, I've been high.
Thanks for watching. Please leave a comment. That's always nice. Bye bye.